10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Solved Online, the online business information solution service through legislation.gov.uk for all clients at all levels in all problems. And today's topic will be Solved Online business updates for business solutions and again Law of Property Amendment Act 1859. So I'm gonna edit that summary. Yeah, so again it will be a 15-minute program. Also at the end there will be dictionary to show the root meaning of words in law for business solutions. Again, remember Solved Online YouTube platform is to report on business solutions through legislation.gov.uk by reviewing and highlighting past and present acts. Also, like, share, comment, and subscribe to help build a global online business solution system on accountability, sustainability, and transparency in growth and protection. Yeah, the motto Solved Online knows that there is no business like the King's business. Like I said, there will be giveaways in the future. Yeah, we provide solutions, discoveries, documents, proof, show demonstrations, direction, instruction, and accuracy in correction. Because again, we have to be able to correct everything that has happened. So correction is very important. Also, like I said, let's get to that 1,000 subscribers to start that online tutorial, webinar, seminar, lecture to help everyone how to become a good researcher, like a barrister, lawyer, solicitor, start getting the best in your solutions, again in your protection, in your growth. As like it done said, it's time to go over to legislation.gov.uk for again, the up-to-date legislation that is involved your life. So you better what? All right, here this one. Let's go over to legislation.gov.uk because that is the number one place to be. Like I say, nothing will change if you don't go to legislation.gov.uk. You know what I'm saying? Because this is where the laws come in. Doesn't matter how far you're up the chain. If you're not following the law, then the chain is weak as the strongest man. Yeah, so like I say now, usually like I say home page, you'll see legislation.gov.uk. Before I go ahead, I need to do one thing, and I need to do one thing, and it will be in free. So before I go ahead, yeah, big up the family circle. I'm telling you, they put some reminder, some information to remind me about something, and that information hit. It was like a home run. So big up family circle for that information, the actual, to remind, because that was like a little piece of the puzzle. You understand that? Say, yeah, this is where the rest of it, this is where it all connects. But big up, like I say, and also Monica Taylor, big up yourself. Happy Wednesday, Solved Online, the show where knowledge is shared. Tell them again. Oh, wait there. Listen. Yo, you need to wake them up. Yeah. Yeah, trust me, need a fuck. Big up Monica Taylor, yeah, You talk about. That's what it's really about. Yes, look up yourself. Yeah, man. That's how it is right now. Yeah, so yeah, that's like I say the topic there. It's a 15-minute program. So I usually go over, so it doesn't really matter. But like I said, let's continue and let's, like I say, go to legislation. So we got three legislation published recently, and there is, like I say, UK statutory instruments, three of them. So I'm just gonna go and see what they are, what's affecting our life. So the first one is the Higher Education Fee Limits and Student Support England Coronavirus Regulations 2020. So we have the next one, the Product Safety and Metrology here. Amendment EU Exit Regulations 2020. The next one we have, okay, yeah, with some message. So the next one we have Eminem Open Cycle Gas Turbine Order 2020. Yeah, Eminem. Now, that's some county. Never heard about it before, but first time I'm hearing about it. See, learned something new. Yeah, so you don't know. That's all it is, for the updates. See it there. You don't know, when we're up to date, what you say? What?
And you know this. Up to the time.
Yeah, all right, up to the time. So you don't know. Everything must be what?
Clear.
And the next thing we must be like, so now everything clear, we have to what?
Good to go.
Alright, good to go. So we're gonna go into the main part now. It's gonna go into the brief. So we're gonna open up. I'm just gonna continue from this because on the legislation.gov.uk. So this is the act. Again, Law of Property Amendment 1856. Alright. Look, take the search and then wait for it, should come up. Yeah, there we go. Because the other one is repealed by this one. So there's summary notes, there's introductory text, there's summary notes, so we can go for a summary. Just like that one before, I couldn't go for a summary. But this there, it all connects with everything that all the other shows that I've been through, everything that I've said already, it all connects. And this is just got to do with the realm. So that's why they have criminal law. Criminal law is created when, again, there is thieves, people that thief property, thief people. Yeah, when there is thieves, pirates, when there's all these type of people. So, we have some thief among us that thief your whole life. And that's their business to do and to keep it their own. So these laws are something to be reminded that, yeah, if there's a crime committed, doesn't matter who it is, could be by the Queen. If there's a crime committed, this is the proof that you can recover. So, but big up again the family circle for just throwing that information in there. Like I say, big up. Yeah, so now, like I said, let's go continue now. Yeah, so we have the Law of Property Amendment Act 1859, and it says an act to further amend the law of property and to relieve trustees. Yeah, there we go. So most of the texts, they are basically textual amendments. So as you can see, this one, it has been repealed by the Law of Property Act 1925. As you can see, also next one. So these are all broken up now into like corporations. Yeah. So the next one is textual amendments repealed by the Conveyancing Act 1881. So these are all important things. And we also have another one, textual amendments, repealed by the Settled Land Act 1925, as you can see. And look, so these are all rows of things that you have to do. So these are procedures. So also textual amendments repealed with saving by Administration of Estates Act 1925. You see it. So this one is still available. So see, just like I remember I talked about the inheritance on previous shows. So it still has it. So just like it says, descendants how to be traced, and it goes where there shall be a total failure of heirs of the purchaser, or where any land shall be descendable as if an ancestor had been the purchaser thereof, and there shall be a total failure of the heirs of such ancestor, then and in every such case the land shall descend, and this descended and descent shall henceforth be traced from the person lost entitled to the land as if he had been the purchaser thereof. So this is the trick that they're using. So for instance, I could tell you some serious thing that they're doing, serious fraud that's going on. The business, like I say, we're getting the business intact, getting our house in order. Solved Online is there to provide all that solution. And we're gonna do all of these things, like I say, it's there. And I appreciate, like I say, the groups that I'm in, because they also give remembrance, in terms of the law and the connection to the certain things that's going on. Just awaken me up to, like I say, remember certain things. Look, so it goes proceedings section incorporated with 3 and 4 William 4 C 106. The last preceding section shall be read as part of the Inheritance Act, see, 1833. So, as you see, it's really right there. Yeah, but definitely there's some big solutions that's gonna come forward. So as you can see, same, and also Land Charges Act 1925 again, Trustees Act 1925. So there was a big parliamentary business on having collecting properties based on the individuals not being present, seeming to be lost at sea. Yeah, so trustee act. So there's trustees. So the ways to be a trustee, you could go and follow that. And trust investment. So there's investments going on. And this act shall not extend to Scotland. Yeah, so as you can see, it's a quick summary. Yeah, so this is all that gives you a good rundown when it comes to properties and what they're doing. That's just a summary, right? We're gonna go into more details. It's great. It's great to know. So, a moment, got one message. Okay, are the repeals by a parliament? Yeah, parliamentary business. Yeah, so it's not when they say repeal. Sometimes it's just one section of the act. It's like so they have to repeal all of it. So when it's repealed, it doesn't mean exactly what we may understand, but this might be a little section, and that section is now magnified in, but that's not everything, because there's still proceedings. You know what I'm saying? There's still provisions. So the provision doesn't change. It's like a chain. It's like a route. There's always route to follow. Yeah. So as you can see again, that's all it is. So now we're gonna go to the last part of it, over to the next screen, which is again dictionary. We're sharing some words, and the word is property. Yeah, good word to close. Let me just magnify this so everyone can see what's going on. Yeah. Yeah, so yes, it's a property that which is peculiar or proper to any person, that which belongs exclusively to one in the strict legal sense, an aggregate of rights which are guaranteed and protected by the government. You see, so you see the trust, all these trust investments, trustees, protected. So it's all protected by the laws. Government is laws as well. So the term is said to extend to every specs of valuable right and interest. All of your rights and interests. So not just a house. It could be the key of your whole life. So more is it specifically ownership, ownership, the unrestricted and exclusive right to a thing. Big deal with property. So property meaning a thing. So the right to dispose of a thing in every legal way. See that? To possess it, to use it, and to exclude everyone else from interfering with it. Yeah, so you can recover. That's what it means. You can recover your property, the dominion or indefinite right of use or disposition which one may lawfully exercise over particular things or subject. You see that? Yeah, there's a lot. So it goes the exclusive right of possessing, enjoying, and disposing of a thing. Yeah. See, so real estate's an investment company. You see that? Again, the highest right a man can have to anything being used for that right which one has to lands or tenements, goods or cattle, which no way depends on another man's courtesy. See? Well, it's all good. Like I said, this is all what it is. It's truly mean. Okay, so there's some more. So it goes, the word is also commonly used to denote everything which is the subject of ownership, corpor, is it corporally or incorporeally, tangible or intangible, visible or invisible, real or personal, everything that has a exchangeable value or which goes to make up wealth or estate. It extends to every specs of validity right and valuable right and interest and includes real and personal property. There's the easement, there's the franchises and incorporeal their endowment. Yeah. So as you can see, as all at indemnity, global indemnity, Cole versus Bruce, CCA. There you go. Yeah, just going through it. It's a good to be reminded of these things. So big up. And yeah, just going through things, it's the law. So it's good to go through the law. So like I say, yeah. Solved Online, the online business information solution service, through legislation.gov.uk, for all clients at all levels, in all problems. And the topic again today, Solved Online legislation update for business solutions and Law of Property Amendment Act 1859. Yeah, Solved Online YouTube platform is to report on business solutions through legislation.gov.uk by reviewing and highlighting past and present acts. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to help build a global online business solution system on accountability, sustainability, and transparency in growth and protection. And the motto, Solved Online, knows that there is no business like the King's business. Yeah, remember, give thanks and praise and appreciation, and meet me on the next show again tomorrow for more information and solutions, which is solutions. Yes, peace.